Glory be to God. All the people to watch me, every watch me, I greet you by the grace of God. A mighty and a great output your life. Your life shall never remain. This is why I want to invite you in this week to come and join me. I remember about 22 years, the Lord called me. He called me in 5 years. And the day the Lord started to use me. This is why come and join me in this week. This week is a great thanksgiving for me. I want to appreciate God. And the Lord to come in and want to bless you. He want to change your story. Listen why the theme of this program shall be host in this program is a calling to have a covenant. Calling to have a covenant. Brethren, a wonder and a great thing it shall be happening to you in this time. This is why the program shall start on 19 to on 22. On 19 shall be the morning, shall start in 9 to 1. And second day to be on 20 shall be a 2 service. So the one shall start in 10 to 12, and the 9 shall start in 10 o'clock. And on 21, it shall be in 10 o'clock. And on the last day, on 22, shall start in 7:30. And by the grace of God, it shall be a mighty and a great thing. The place the program shall be hosted is in Nigeria, in Ondo State, in Akure. When we enter Ondo State, just as Akure. After Akure, just as Ijoka in Okiobere, in Temidre. And after we Temidre, just as let's all Christian. Let's all Christian is our name of church. This week shall be a great time and a wonderful time. I want to tell you it's time. Come and see the calling, and the calling to have a covenant. He has the power to raise you. He do before. He do the signs and wonder. He give a people to have a sorrow before. He give a joy. You are a next person. This is why I expect you. Come and join in this program. In this week, it shall start in Thursday to Sunday, and the Lord is expect you. My calling to be my father, to be my Lord is wait for you. And when to call me, you want to bless your life. I will expect you. Don't forget this week, and it shall host and to start on Thursday. By the grace of God, more we attend in, your life shall never remain. We can do a program in live. Just spread a river. By the grace, I watch a program as was start on 1922, and the Lord is expect you. Now I want to ask anything. Let me give my personal number. It's 080 62 20 19 37. 080 62 20 19. This is my phone number. I expect you not to ask anything. You are called in this number I give you now, and your life will never remain. The Lord is expect you. Don't forget the power and His reach for you, and the calling to have a covenant in one your story. Don't sit at home. Come and join them in this one. Your life will never remain. God bless you. You are blessed.